Welcome to this video explaining peak brightness and the difference between displays hitting 1200 versus 3000 nits. We will explore what these numbers mean for your viewing experience. First, what exactly is a nit? A nit is the standard unit of measurement for luminance, equal to 1 candela per square meter. 1 nit is roughly the light from a single candle. SDR, or standard dynamic range, is typically mastered at 100 nits, while human vision can perceive up to 100,000 nits or sunlight. Peak brightness is a sprint, not a marathon. It's the maximum luminosity a screen can hit for a very short duration in a small area, creating, quote, pop in highlights. Sustained brightness is the level a screen can maintain across the entire panel indefinitely without overheating or dimming. 1200 nits is often called the cinema standard, perfect for dark rooms. Premium OLED TVs typically hit this range. With perfect black levels, 1200 nits looks incredibly bright in a dim environment and is easier on the eyes during long movies. 3000 nits is the sunbeater, found in high-end mini LED and newer QD OLED panels. This uncompromising power allows for easy daytime viewing, cuts through direct sunlight, and delivers high color volume and vibrancy at high luminance levels. High dynamic range, or HDR, craves nits not just to make the whole image brighter, but to expand the difference between the darkest darks and the brightest brights. Realism, such as reflections on water or metal, requires thousands of nits to look truly real. Comparing brightness levels, the SDR standard is 100 nits, entry HDR is 400, and premium OLED reaches 1000 nits. Flagship mini LEDs can achieve 3000 nits or more. The jump from 1000 to 3000 is massive in raw energy. It is important to remember the non-linear perception of brightness. Human vision is logarithmic, not linear. While 3000 nits is technically 3 times the luminance of 1000 nits, the eye perceives it as only 50 to 70% brighter. However, the impact on specular highlights remains distinct. Higher brightness comes with costs. 3000 nits demand significantly more power, generating excessive heat and increasing the risk of burn-in for OLEDs. In a dark room, 3000 nits can also be physically painful, necessitating active tone mapping to dim the display. In a quick comparison, 1000 to 1500 nit panels, like OLEDs, are ideal for dark rooms, offering perfect black levels and prioritizing contrast and depth. 3000 plus nit panels, such as mini LEDs, are best for bright rooms, providing excellent local dimming, impact, and vibrancy. To summarize, remember this display industry adage: brightness without contrast is just a flashlight in your face. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this information helps you understand peak brightness and choose your ideal viewing setup.